I ain't talking about it. Already stressing about my shit.
That's the blunt thing.
This one fresh paper.
Yeah, everything.
That's amazing. It's got weed in it. Weed true.
We got to the last tug.
You got it. Chef, guess what I cooked? I ate a lot of bread and kept it on the books.
Also try ruining some shit I never tried before. I'm not gonna lie.
My picture was getting the pipe wet, cat over my sleep. Turn one in the tune like a Siamese twin with his hand. I was saying, was a man that the brain on my knees. Last of a dying breed. So let the champagne pop.
That was the first time trying. In Florida, they got at least like the back.